Yeah, you want your blockers to reach as far over the net as they can, but they can't touch it.
So now 14 serving to 20. As Oxnard is back in there to serve. We saw her in set 2 as well.
Well, she does a great job of coming off the bench and putting a tough serve out there.
And picks up a point for the Wildcats, make it 15 serving to 20. Yorba Linda's pride is Susan Oxnard. Isn't that where the Nixon Library is?
It is.
Thank you very much. So the Wildcats looking for an answer in set number 3. And this is a team, too, in the Wildcats that they do not mind prolonging things. If they can find their chemistry, Coach Chan says it's the kind of team that if it can find something that works in set 3, they can take it to a 4th set and even force set number 5. In fact, 3 of the prior 4 matches for Illinois went 5, something they didn't see most of the season.
Yeah, these are great serves, though, and if they're going to come back and win this, it has to take place right now. They can't wait till Illinois gets, point 23, 24.
And there's the ace again, and Kevin Hambley has seen enough. He will burn a timeout as he sees Northwestern creep closer back into this one now. 20-16, Illinois on top, looking to make it 3 straight. The Illini took the first set 25-20, and 25-16 was the tally in set number 2, and leading now by 4 in the 3rd set.
Well, Oxnard doing a great job. I mean, she's changing the momentum of the match right now.
Don't forget, coming up after volleyball, join host Rick Pizzo for Big Ten football Sights and Sounds, as presented by the United States Marine Corps for a behind-the-scenes wired look at Big Ten players and coaches. It's tonight, right after volleyball, only right here on the Big Ten Network. Jim, you got to catch that. It's a lot of fun. I learned more in 15 minutes than I learned in 15 years watching Big Ten football from the outside. So check it out. And we'll learn even more about Illinois coming up in a few days this weekend when they take on Minnesota. We talked about the strength of the Big Ten, Jim, and we're not hyping it just because this is the Big Ten Network, but 4 of the top 11 teams in the nation are right here in this conference. And in truth, Michigan State is just a heartbeat away as well.
And those teams are going to start playing each other now, so it'll be fun for the fans in the Big Ten area.
Fans of all sizes and shapes as they dig pink tonight on this night when they remember this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month on the campus of the University of Illinois. There's a serve by Oxnard. Can they get it?
Well, I tip of the hat to Susan Oxnard. Those are good serves that she dealt with, right off the bench, and she came out of a timeout and served tough. So,
what did she do so effectively as a server, Jim?
Well, low, flat serves that put a lot of pressure on the passers.
DeBruller back to try to do the same thing now for the Illini, up by 5, 21-16.